A year of wonder? There are 12 months in the year, and each one is special. Let's take a journey through the seasons together. January is the first month, a time for new beginnings. The world is often quiet and covered in a blanket of white snow. February is the second month, and winter is still here. It's a time for cozying up indoors with a warm drink. They say March comes in like a lion, with blustery winds and sometimes even a late snowstorm. But it goes out like a lamb, gentle and mild. April is the month of rain. Pitter-patter go the raindrops on the window pane, waking up all the sleepy flowers. April showers bring Mayflowers. In May, the world bursts into color as all the flowers bloom. The air is sweet with their scent. June is a warm and sunny month. It's a perfect time for playing outside and enjoying the long, bright days. Many people get married in June. July can be very hot. It's the perfect time for a vacation and for doing all your favorite summer things, like swimming and eating ice cream. August is still summer, but the days start to get a little shorter. It's a time for one last adventure before the season changes. In September, it's time to go back to school. The autumn winds begin to blow, and the leaves on the trees start to change color. October really feels like autumn. The air is crisp and cool, and it's time for Halloween. November is when we really start to feel the chill in the air. It's a time for warm sweaters and cozy scarves.